Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer console assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new console assembly. The console assembly has the touchpad on it. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if the touchpad has failed and the dryer is not responding to your inputs. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the dryer. Now that we're on back, we're going to use a 1/4 inch nut driver to take out the screws that hold the access panel on. Once you have the screws out, you can lift the panel off and set it aside. Now we're going to rotate the console assembly forward. You have to lift up on it a little bit, and then pull back a little bit, and then lift again and rotate it. Once you have it rotated over, we can unplug the ribbon cable from the control board. All you have to do is carefully pull it off. Once you have it off, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the control board to the console assembly. Once you have the screws out, we're just going to carefully lift up on the control board so it comes off the console assembly. And then we can lift the console assembly out and carefully set the control board down. Then you can pull the console assembly off the dryer. Here's the old console assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new console assembly on, we're just going to carefully lift the board up and set it into the console. Just want to carefully set the new console down onto the top of the dryer. You don't want to damage it. Once you have the control board in place, you can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can reconnect the ribbon cable. All you have to do is carefully push it on, make sure it seats all the way so you get a good connection. Once you have it plugged in, we can rotate the console assembly up. As you're rotating it up, you want to make sure these tabs go into the openings on the top of the dryer. And once you have it lined up, just have to rotate it over and drop it down into place. Once you have the console in place, we can put the access panel on. All you have to do is set it in place, and then we can use the 1/4 inch nut driver to put in the screws. Once you have the panel on, you can plug the dryer back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.